در مشهد مقدس در سخنرانی گفتم در موضوعات خاص مذاکره اشکالی ندارد، منتها گفتم من اعتمادی ندارم، خوشبین نیستم به مذاکره، لکن میخوان مذاکره کنن برن بکنن، ضرری هم ما نمی کنیم به اذن الله. این تجربه ظرفیت فکری ملت ما رو بالا خواهد برد.
Our commitment to Israel's security, we take no options off the table, including military options.
And the options that I've made clear, I can avail myself of, including a military option.
In doing so, we must remain mindful of the long history of Iranian deception regarding its nuclear program. We know that deception is part of the DNA.
And as you know, my view is that in order to stop Iran's nuclear programs peacefully, diplomacy and sanctions must be augmented by a clear and credible threat of military action.
I think a ground war in Iran with American boots on the ground would be a horrible thing. And I think people like to toss around the fact that we have to stop them in some way from gaining this nuclear capability. I don't think it's inevitable, but I think if you have to hit Iran, you don't put boots on the ground. You do it with tactical nuclear devices, and you set them back a decade or two or three.
Iran being obviously a prominent shared concern.
Listen, you pick up your cell phone, even at traveling rings. You pick up your cell phone and you call somewhere in Nebraska and you say, okay, let it go. So there's an atomic weapon goes over ballistic missiles in the middle of the desert, maybe a couple of rattlesnakes and scorpions or whatever. And then you say, see, the next one is in the middle of Tehran.
یه سیاستمدار پولدار آمریکایی یه غلطی میکنه که بله ما بایستی در فلان صحرای ایران بمب اتم بزنیم و تهدید کنیم و فلان، باید بزنن دهن این چنین آدمی رو خورد کنن.
First time in nearly a decade, we have halted the progress of the Iranian nuclear program. Key parts of the program will be rolled back.
No, there is no right to enrich. We do not recognize a right to enrich.
That doesn't mean that we should trust President Rouhani or anybody else inside of Iran.
And we are obviously well aware that even a comprehensive agreement wouldn't solve all our problems with Iran. Whatever the outcome of the upcoming negotiations, Iran will still have much work to do.
I mean, if I had an option, if we could create an option in which Iran eliminated every single nut and bolt of their nuclear program, forswore the possibility of ever having a nuclear program, and for that matter got rid of all its military capabilities, I would take it. But that particular option is not available.
اونجایی که اقدام نمی‌کنن میگن نمیتونیم. بله نمیتونن. البته یکی از برکات همین مذاکرات اخیر این بود که دشمنی آمریکایی‌ها و مسئولین دولت ایالات متحده آمریکا با ایران و ایرانی، با اسلام و مسلمین آشکار شد، برای همه مدلل شد، همه اینو فهمیدن.